And I was a little taken back because I was like, the publishers who were playing it for me, I was like, are y'all just playing me that for fun, or can I record it, you know? Because it just killed me. And, so I was so blessed to be able to actually put my voice on this song and put it out. So. $0.89 in the ashtray, half-empty bottle of Gatorade rolling in the floorboard. That dirty Brice cap on the dash, dog tags hanging from the rear view, old skull cannon cowboy boots, and the gold army shirt folded in the back. This thing burns gas like crazy, but that's alright. People got their ways of coping, and I got mine. I drive your truck, I roll every window down, and I burn up every back road in this town. I find the field, I tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust. Yeah, sometimes I drive your truck. Same old country station where you left it. Yeah, man, I crank it up, and you'd probably punch my arm right now if you saw this tear rolling down on my face. Yeah, man, I'm trying to be tough, but Mama asked me this morning if I'd been by your grave. Well, that flag and stone ain't where I feel you anyway. I drive your truck, I roll every window down, and I burn up every back road in this town. I find a field, I tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust. Yes, sometimes these days when I'm missing you this much. I drive your truck, I roll every window down, and I burn up every back road in this town. I find a field, I tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust. Yeah, sometimes, brother, sometimes I drive your truck. Yeah, I drive your truck. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind. I drive your truck.